Test drive the 2015 Explorer. You've got a lot of capabilities to call on in a Ford Explorer. Don't underestimate your choices, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power liftgate, power passenger seat, traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, heated rear seats, one owner, four-wheel disc brakes, voice-activated navigation system. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.